Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing PC Builder 2 Simulator. Today we're going to make a Christmas themed PC and we're going to make it pretty nice. We're going to add some decorations using this workbench as they have updated something. We're going to get a red and green computer built. Red and green computer ties, just uh, Christmas, uh, Christmas colors. Anyways, so let's start with the PC. Let me clear out our build so far. Oh, I should have kept that case, but we're gonna need a red case because I feel like this should like be the thing that shows our computer the most. Let's what kind of processor should we use? We should use a uh, I think a i7 14900K or yeah 14700K. That should work. 20 cores, 8 performance, 12 efficiency. Um, let's go with a red cooler. So these are our choices. It has red lighting. So I'm tempted to go with this one. It has red lighting, and it looks better, but this one performs better and just has red in general. So I think hmm we should use the Arctic Freezer 34 Esports red. This one it shows red more and it's gonna perform better for us. Let's try to find a no motherboards. We can't have it red. It's just a basic black and white. Occasional like blue and stuff, like RGB. But hmm, let's go with a LGA 1700 socket. Um, I'd say hmm, we stick to a complete black motherboard so it could show the red and green much better. So let's see. I think the Z690 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4 that's gonna show our computer a lot better. For RAM we could just get uh yeah, let's get RGB lighting so that we could change it and it's gonna be better looking. Uh, we obviously gotta get the best RAM possible. So uh hmm we should just stick with HyperX Fury DDR4 RGB because this gold is not gonna look too good with it. So um graphics card, I'd say we just use hmm which one will show our graphics card the best. We should get a see what choice we have. You could get a red GPU. They don't really show red. Mixed, no. I say we just get RGB. Um, where's we should get the colorful GeForce RTX 3090. Let's get two of them, and then SSD doesn't really matter. So I'm just gonna get uh I'm just gonna get a couple more of these. Uh, as well as power supply. You can't really like see the power supply, uh, but we could also get RGB one. The Thermotake Tough Power iRGB. We could change this color to green or something. We already have these. No, we're gonna get custom cable ties, and yeah, this should be a lot. It's quite expensive due to the SSDs, but I need them for another video anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So why don't oh I go to collect this money. So why don't we start with the cable ties? Uh, let's go to custom cables. Green, we should apply it. Three greens. One, two, three. One, two, three. This isn't. I say we just This doesn't really look that good. That looks a lot better. 3 greens, 2 reds, 2 green, 2 reds. And we should like flip it for the other side, so then we don't like overfill with greens. Uh, so two greens, uh, 2 here. Yeah. So it looks. This is gonna be our Christmas. Oh, Christmas set. Now we change these. You can't go wrong with just the green and red pattern. There you go. Whoopsie. Okay. There you go. The 6-pin connectors, green, 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 and we just fill in the rest with red. There you go. Alright, I think that's good enough. Now we just take all these cables, get the computer case, and let's build it. So my next video is gonna it's gonna probably be like how much this PC is gonna cost in real life. I've been thinking of trying to switch up my content a bit, and I'm thinking of just like seeing how much the PCs I build will cost in real life, and seeing and just seeing if it looks like any different compared to this game. It shouldn't look too different, but like it's nice to see like how much they actually cost compared to the game cost. So enough with the yapping. Let's build the computer. Install the RAM, CPU, and install the RAM, CPU, and the motherboard, and the SSD. Gotta fill this thing up with drives. Okay, let's install some thermal paste to the computer, and then let's also get the CPU cooler on here. This isn't that good. I don't think we could use any of. Oh wait, that's the CPU. Yeah, I don't think we can use this one because it's incompatible with the case, which is quite unfortunate. But I guess we're just gonna have to choose one of these. Can't really. There's not many options, so I'll just choose the Arctic Alpine passive heatsink. This one shouldn't be. It's not gonna work that well, but it should work. Some of the GPUs they go on the other side in this case, which is quite unique in my opinion. So, DDR4. Alright, I guess we can only use one RTX 3090 then. This computer it's not gonna be what I expect, but I want to see the end result, and yeah. Alright, after we install some fans, you can't go wrong with some and the 120 millimeters. This should like really show our computer, and yeah, we really need this. Let's also let's see if we can install any fans anywhere else, due to you can't really like. Yeah, let's just install the fans in here. Whatever. Okay, the PC turns on. Yeah, so it's definitely not what I'm expecting, and definitely doesn't look good at all. This is gonna be it's gonna be a crappy build, but it might look a bit different if I change some of the color themes on the RGB thing, and hopefully it should look better. Hopefully. I don't have much high hopes, but alright. RGB. Oh, lighting. Alright, the entire thing, let's change it all to red. Then let's go with, hmm, okay, hold on. Alright, now let's just select specific, such as alternating RAM. Let's see, uh, two fans, and let's make them all green. And then, see, oh, I mean, it definitely looks, slightly better. The RAM really, like, shows off a bit more. The power supply, you can see it this time. You can also see, let's see, you can see, like, the red fans. And let me see if I can change the very bottom fan, and then, yeah. This one, it's, let me just change the color to red. Now let's see what's happening. Well, I don't think you could change this fan for some reason, but it's, yeah, it's whatever. Now let's paint this thing. So I'm thinking red. It's fine. It's fine up here. We just add some stickers, and then like change. Can we change the theme? I don't think we can change the theme to anything Christmas related. So I say we should just add some stickers. Let me just search up Christmas. A tree. Alright, this is very Christmas-y. Apply on glass. Doesn't seem to allow us. Let's see if we could shrink it, rotate it. Oh, I don't think we can rotate it, but let's just put it right there. Put a snowman as well. Put two snowmans. Some candy canes. Let's mirror this one. Candy canes here as well. And then we should add some lights. And then we could add a tiny snowflake. We could add some snowflakes here as well. Add some variety of snowflakes. So it looks like it's been through some stuff. Some lights would be nice as well. Connect the snowflakes. And ho ho ho. This should be a good theme. Ho ho. Let me make them more aligned. Ho 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 ho. Just a bunch of ho hos. And let us know. Let's just put it right here. Oh, we can also put another tree here. A snowman and a ornament. As well as some leaves. And that's it. Oh my. I just cleared it by accident, but it's fine. Yeah, I think that's just gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna fix the tree real quickly for the thumbnail, but that's it for today. Have a good Christmas in 2 days, and I'll catch you next time.